Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on the marina side of Atlantic City. I'm here at Harrah's Hotel and Casino. I want to check out Bobby Flay's Bobby Burgers, which just opened up, I'm going to say about a month or two ago. I'm going to check it out. I've been to the one or two of them in Vegas. Actually, I've been to two in Vegas. They've opened up more in Vegas since then, so I'll check those out on my upcoming trip. But I'm going to check the one out here at Harrah's. So come along with me. Let's go inside Harrah's and check out Bobby's Burgers. Shall we? From the Bobby's Burgers website, it says Chef Bobby Flay craves one thing when he's done working in the kitchen of his many fine dining restaurants, and it's not what you might expect. It's a burger. So with his favorite food and a reputation for creating the world's best dining experiences in mind, he brings you Bobby's Burgers. Everything you expect from a Bobby Flay dining experience, but this time it's for everyone, and with a modest price everyone can love too. Not too sure about that modest price, and we'll get into that a little later in the video. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found mascots in my last two videos. She found Clarice in my Atlantic City video riding the jitney, as well as Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my Las Vegas video, Lake of Dreams. Congratulations, Deborah. This is Bobby Burger's first location here in Atlantic City. Not sure if he has plans on opening anymore, but it's his first one and it's my first time here. I've been to Bobby's Burgers before in Las Vegas. He has a couple locations there, and the food's pretty good. Bobby also had a burger place in Las Vegas called Bobby's Burger Palace. It was at the Waldorf Astoria, never reopened since the pandemic. As a matter of fact, most locations closed permanently of Bobby's Burger Palace since COVID, and this Bobby's Burgers seems to be replacing all those Bobby Burger Palaces. And in case you're wondering, yes, the place is kind of empty. I'm here on a weekday at about 3:30 in the afternoon, just so you know. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. The service behind the counter was very good. The person who took my order was genuinely happy to be there. She couldn't go on and on more about how delicious the food was. And I'm not saying she was like, just trying to sell me stuff and upsell me and things like that. She was genuinely happy to be there, and she genuinely liked what she was serving people. I ordered the barbecue smokehouse burger, which is bacon, crispy onion, chipotle barbecue sauce, and American cheese, as well as Bobby's buttermilk onion rings, and with that you get a side of your choice of sauce. I choose Bobby's sauce, and I also got a diet soda. And you can refill the soft drinks as much as you'd like. And that's a good thing because you're about to find out that this counter service bagged lunch is not as cheap as you think it might be. The burger's really good, juicy. I ordered the, I believe it's called the Smokehouse Burger. Bacon, cheddar cheese. The burger I ordered well done. Cooked perfectly, well done, but really juicy and flavorful. But expensive. I'll show you the bill after I'm done eating. Onion rings are really good. They're crispy. They're seasoned with something. They're not like hot spicy, but they're spicy. They're really good. They're seasoned really unusually, but I do like the seasoning. Very crispy. The onions are tender inside. And that's Bobby Flay's secret sauce that I'm dipping it in. It's kind of like a spicy ranch. Everything is delicious so far. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. The Smokehouse Burger was $15, the onion rings were $7, and that drink was $5. Again, you can refill it, but still $5 for a soda. Everything came to with a tip, and mind you, I tipped, and I had to place my own order and get my own drink. Everything came to about $33. Now, don't get me wrong, the food was delicious, and I wouldn't mind paying that actually if I was served, but again, this is pretty much fast food. I had to go up to a counter, order what I wanted, get my own drink, find my own table, sit down, and pretty much clean up my mess when I was done. So yeah, definitely expensive, $32, but that included the burger, which I believe was like $15. The onion rings were $6.99. The soda, which is always expensive, was like $5. You can refill it as much as you want, which is a good thing, I guess, at that price. And a tip. I left a 15% tip. So it all came to $32 with the tip. It was a good meal. He makes a good burger, or they made a good burger here at least. I understand one of them in Las Vegas closed. I'm not sure which one. Maybe the one in Caesars. I'll find out and let you guys know. In any event, there are others that opened up on the Las Vegas Strip. So I'll be checking them out on my upcoming visit, and I'm going to compare the prices too, just to make sure that the Atlantic City one isn't charging a lot more than the Vegas one, which for some reason or another, Atlantic City's always much more expensive than Las Vegas. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Coming soon, as a matter of fact. Let me just walk over here for a second. And I shouldn't say coming soon. It's closed right now, but next time I'm in Harrah's, I'm going to check out Guy's Chicken, or Chicken Guy. That's what it's called. I'm gonna check out Chicken Guy. It's pretty much chicken fingers with 10,000 different dipping sauces. I think they charge you like a quarter or 50 cents for each dipping sauce that you get. But next time I'm here, I'm gonna try that place out and I'll bring it to you guys. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.